The Story of a Project. Once upon a time there were two actresses, Carla Araújo and Fernanda Hartmann, both art educators, both actresses who used to work together in different plays in the same theater company, Cia Maria Bonita. When talking about their plays, they found out both loved kids and both loved telling stories in English. So they started thinking of different techniques, texts, plays, and finally, All Stories for You was born, a project of storytelling in English. We hope you like it.